Hello and welcome to ActivTrades Biggest Market Movers. Today I'll be looking at the Australian dollar against the US dollar. I'll be discussing its recent trading history, and I'll also be identifying the key technical levels that you need to know going forward. So we've seen the Australian dollar move sharply higher against the US dollar after the release of the FOMC meeting minutes. The Federal Reserve raised concerns about persistently low inflation in the US economy, and we've seen the Australian dollar move as high as 0.7949. We've also had the release of Australian jobs figures for the month of July, and we saw a decrease in full-time employment, and that's made the Australian dollar move just slightly lower this morning, but we have recovered towards the 50% Fibonacci retracement of that recent low set around the 0.78 handle attached to that yearly high just above the 0.8050 mark. If we have a look to the key technical levels going forward, we're now trading above the weekly pivot point, which is calculated at 0.7894. All the time we're trading above this level. Expect the pair to gravitate towards that 200-week moving average, which is set around 0.7978. That may be the target for the bulls, and if we start to trade above that level, keep your eye out for the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement at 0.8018, and of course we have that yearly high just above the 0.8050 level. Other technical levels to note, we also have the 4-hour time frame, 100 period moving average at 0.7924, and of course we have below that pivot point we have the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement at 0.7868. Thank you very much. This has been ActivTrades Biggest Market Movers, and you can trade the Australian dollar against the US dollar for spreads as low as 0.6 pips at ActivTrades.